Hi, I'm Clara from Holy Heroes, and I'm hopping on here today to tell you about Blessed Carlo Acutis, the amazing discovery of a teenager in heaven. Now, what makes this book different than just a normal book about Carlo is that this book is specifically addressing the question, how and why the church recognizes people in heaven. So if you have ever had a kid who asked, how do you become a saint? This is the book for them. The very first chapter, How and Why the Church Investigates Who is in Heaven, it explains why the church does this and how. What are the steps that Blessed Carlo's case had to go through to reach the beatification in 2020? Many of you have probably heard about the Eucharistic Miracles website that Blessed Carlo created while he was still on earth. This book is the book version of that website. This has full color images of Eucharistic miracles from around the world. It has maps so you can see where these Eucharistic miracles took place. If you have a child who's asking a lot of questions about the Eucharist, why we believe it, how we believe it, this book is an amazing book for them to be able to peruse through and see the beauty of the sacrament of the Eucharist. So if you have a kiddo who's interested in Blessed Carlo Acutis, if you are interested in Blessed Carlo Acutis, you can get this new book now at holyheroes.com.